This is the 5 top most tips you need when buying a home in 2024. And our favorite is number 4. Tip number 1, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage helps you understand your budget and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Tip number 2, make a wish list. Making a wish list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves for your home is ideal. This will help you stay focused during your search. Tip number 3, research neighborhoods. Research neighborhoods to find the best fit for your lifestyle. Consider factors like schools, amenities, and commute times. Tip number 4, attend open houses. Once you put up a list, watch out for the open houses of those properties. This is to get a feel for what's available in your price range and see homes in person. Tip number 5, work with a trusted realtor. Work with a trusted realtor who knows the local market and can guide you through the process. We're here to help you every step of the way.